Hi, in this video we're gonna continue our tutorial for making list date picker component in iPhone using Silverlight. In last video we already create ListBox that move smoothly and also add a gradient color so it has similarity with our component, the date picker component. So let's open our project and add new page, name it as number 3, and let's name it centered rectangle. So in the date picker iPhone, the selected item will always in the center of the list box. If we choose 2 AM and then the list box will scroll and 2 AM will be in the center of the component. In this video we're gonna add a rectangle in the center of the list box. Let's copy our last code from number 2 except for the first line of the code, because the first line is the name of the class. The first of our new page is number 3 centered rectangle. Let's just copy also the code .cs code. Copy the code inside of the constructor. And then we need to add a rectangle that will be put in the center of the list box. I already prepared the rectangle. This is the rectangle and the name of rectangle and the color of the rectangle. The color itself, if we add 88, it will be transparent. Let's just copy below of the list box. This is our component. To make it clean, the rectangle in the center of the list box, we need to add stack panel. Between the list box and the rectangle. For the detail of the stack panel, I just copy that our prepare page, that the width, I set the width and the orientations and the margin. Orientation is the orientations of the component inside of the stack panel. If we set vertical, so the first which is list box will be shown in the top of the rectangle. Just copy stack panel. So this is our component and the rectangle itself is below of the list box. To make it center of the list box, we need to add grid. So between the stack panel and grid is have a similarity. But if we using grid, it will make the rectangle in the center of the list box. And then run our application. First, we need to change the default page of the application. Let's add using name of the project and the folder which is the page contain because I create the page inside the folder of modules. Let's run our application. This is our application. So we need to make it similar with the date picker component, which is in the date picker there are two blank items in the first and the last of the list box. So if we choose the first item, there will be two blank. If we choose number 2 item, it will be one blank. So let's add two blank item in our component. Let's copy our adding list box with empty string. We add two empty string in the first of the list box item and two in the last item. And also we make a component with 5 items. So I already calculate about the height. The height of the item is 60. So we need to change the height of the list box to be 300. Let's change the height of the list box and the size of the items in the list box. Let's make it 300 and the font change to 36. So it will be fixed for our component. And then run our application. This is our application. So if we choose call in Monday and so on. I'm Imam Bayaki. Thank you for watching.